happy Monday. So today I'm just going to start filming kind of a weekly vlog to get into a more personal level. I just called my dentist and I have a kind of emergency appointment because I think my wisdom teeth just grew. Everything here is hurting and it's very destructive, it's very upsetting and unsettling, so I'm just going to get that done and I'm just going for a quick checkup to see how everything's going, and then we decided on the next moves. So I'm very excited to go do that, and so I need to go like right now. I'm just going to get dressed and I already have everything that I need. And happy Monday, and I hope you love this vlog. This is the outfit. And I'm wearing a t-shirt underneath just because, I don't know, it might be hot outside. It's a very weird weather where it's either hot or very windy, so it is what it is. Let's go. So dentist is done. I have tomorrow another appointment to see my wisdom teeth and hopefully to get them removed. But we just received an invitation from 𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒚 to go to this event, and I'm gonna vlog, and probably will be the next vlog, and I'm so excited. So now I've done a little bit of my thesis, but honestly I must say that I didn't do much, just because I also had my iPad charging, and that's where I have all the PDFs so I can read and properly highlight the things that I need in order to write on the computer. But I did write a little bit. So now guys, I'm just going to get dressed again because I have to go to donate blood because they are in very much need of my blood type. My blood type is O negative or 0 negative, and so they really need it, and they called me to be like, hey girl, we need your blood, so you know, I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Let's go. Good morning guys! 𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒚 actually invited me yesterday to go to one of their newest events that they're having next week, and I'm so beyond excited. Like, 𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒚 contacted me to go to one event because they're launching a new camera, so I'm just beyond excited, and I'm going to be doing a vlog about that. But wow, it's been so long of me being here creating content, and finally having these type of opportunities just pays off. Like, makes it all worth it. Being on YouTube, on Instagram, producing content like mostly every day, and just being, I don't know, just it's amazing. I know you cannot take me seriously with these in my face, so let's just work. I'm just so beyond grateful and proud of myself for not giving up on YouTube, on Instagram, creating content. That's one of the most exciting things that I do, and I'm just beyond excited to be able to have these opportunities and finally paying off all the effort. So, oh my god, don't give up on your dreams and keep working hard because things will come your way. Now let's work. My Amazon package just arrived. I ordered some things, one for me to do some meal prep, and the other one was just for me to do those sleek hairstyles. So I mentioned a while back in the vlog that I wanted reusable plastic bags so I can do the meal prep and cut, like, for instance, chicken that I'm going to be using and the portions and so on. And so I found these on Amazon, were super accessible, and basically they are reusable. Those are made from silicone, and basically you just use them, you wash them, and then use them again. So then I decided to get these. Smells great, I can already tell. And I saw these on TikTok, people using these and highly recommending, so I'm just going to give it a try. And smells great. This is coconut oil, and basically you can do your hairstyle. Hi guys, So I went to the dentist and basically I will have my wisdom tooth removed because I'm getting these two out in May, and until then we just have to deal with it. It's okay, actually it doesn't hurt anymore, so I'm okay. Sorry, I'm just looking for my dog. He's here. Let's say hi. Say hi to your friendos. But now we are just gonna write the thesis. Right? Yeah. Good morning guys, so it is after breakfast and it's kind of 10:30-ish. Now I'm just going to write everything to my thesis. Kind of, as I was saying, I'm also getting ready just because in the afternoon we have the cleaning ladies here to clean everything, and then I have my psychologist, so I'm just going to get ready now so I can be all ready and not be on my PJs whenever I have to leave, and they are still here. So it is afternoon and right now I'm just getting ready to go to see my psychologist. I don't know, how do you call it? Is it a psychologist or a therapist? Because I've seen people using both, but I don't know, like in Portuguese they are different and I don't know. I need to take care of my nails also, so I think I'm gonna go there first and just schedule something for tomorrow morning or Friday. But yeah, the thesis is going great actually. I'm very excited. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair, finish getting ready, and then we shall go take care of our mental health. By the way, I want to do a video all about my mental health and my mental health journey overall, but I've been struggling with anxiety for the past 8 years, if I'm not mistaken, and only this year I decided to finally schedule an appointment to see a psychologist, and it has been the best thing that I could ever asked for. It's incredible how such a professional person can understand you and kind of just be there for you, and you can talk openly about anything, and she teaches you like techniques and methods that can help you throughout the day, throughout your routines, and it has just been such an incredible journey. She's incredible and I'm very lucky that I found someone that I can talk openly with, and I was kind of afraid if I wasn't to have that click with someone, but I do, and I'm so excited, and this is a moment that I'm looking forward every 2 weeks. So yeah, I just wanted to pop here and say that if you're struggling with mental health, don't wait to get help. It is very important, it makes wonders. And now if you seek for a doctor whenever you have a physical pain, you should also seek for a doctor, specific one, psychologist for instance, or a psychiatrist or therapists, to seek whenever you have a mental illness. I have severe anxiety, and this has been such a journey, an incredible one, and I'm very lucky. Now I'm just going to get ready and we shall go meet her.
Problems, one by one they're falling down on me. One more day in Paris, paradise is not what it's made to be. No, just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking it.
Hi guys, I'm actually enjoying very much vlogging. I'm sorry about the whole noise, but I just wanted to say it. I don't know, I just love YouTube, and today I'm feeling just creative overall, big feeling inspired, and I just want to share that for some reason.
De mais de 4 minutos.
Guys, good morning. I'm just feeling overall happy but anxious. Now I'm just going to get my nails done, but after that, just to make a to-do list. And sometimes I tell you that I do to-do lists and so on and so forth, but the truth is not every day I implement the things that I know increase my productivity. I don't even know why, but that's one thing that I really want to do. It just allows me to clearly see what I have to tackle, prioritize as well the tasks that I have to get done. Because one thing that I get in my head is that I know I have to do a bunch of stuff and then I don't even know where to start. I feel like this vlog is getting huge. I'm just going to have my nails done for next week's event and I'm so excited, you guys. Also, I haven't had my nails done in so long because of anxiety. But now let's go because I don't want to be late. But it was great talking to you. I almost forgot to update you guys. We are going shopping and so I just decided to bring you guys along and then I can do a little haul for you. Hi guys, so I decided to now join with a microphone so you can hear me better. Everyone else is sleeping and so I just wanted to lower my voice. And I'm just going to show you of the shopping that we did. There are not much of things and this is both for me and my mom. I'm just going to show you our shoppings combined. First of all, we went to Pool. I found a really great dress in the color that I feel like, you know, it's one of my colors. But I also took a lot of pictures of references of products that I might want to buy in the future. So that's a great thing that I can give you. A tip, for instance, is whenever you go shopping, if you are not like 100% sure that you are feeling comfortable and spending that amount of money on that piece of clothing at that time, just take a picture of the reference and then you can just look back, see online if it's worth it, if it's not. I fell in love with this dress and I think my mom did too, actually, because she was the one that told me to try it on. I don't like to try it on things at store. I'm so lazy about that. But it's just these long dress that just has, I don't know how you call it in English, but it's just this little thing to show a little bit of leg. It goes like this. I think I've shared on the vlog part. It just has like this with a cross. I think it's very cute and it's very comfortable, the material, so I highly recommend if you are wondering if you want to get these or not. And also it's very stretchy, so usually my size is a medium and this is a XS. Usually I'm a medium and these fit me perfectly because it's stretchy and I can eat and be okay because, you know, you get the belly. And then we went to Primark. This is where I really just wanted to go because I'm in love with these pants, sweatpants that I bought from Primark, and I really just wanted another one, so whenever these goes to the laundry I can have other pair. We bought these, I think it's called clippers for your hair. We also went to Sephora and she got like a recipe for her makeup. Then we fell in love with these mugs, these two mugs. This one has like a matte finish and this one has like a sea finished, I think that's what's called, and I absolutely love this one. My mom loved this one, so we just decided to each of us get one. Actually, this one reminded me of a mug that I had that my mom broke. Hi, you love it too? And I got the sweatpants. I really love them. This size, it's smaller than this one, which I was looking for whenever I bought these ones, but they weren't available, and so I got the smaller size. This is actually 2XS's, and like I said, I'm a medium and this one just fit larger. Is that the expression? Fit larger. We got some underwear also, I'm not gonna show you, but I also got these two pairs of earrings for something special, you know. I have an event coming next week, as I previously mentioned a bunch of times, I think, and I don't know, it's something different, you know. special occasion, I feel like these are great. And I don't have silver jewelry or a proper one. I'm not saying that Primark has a proper jewelry, but I really like them, and yeah, I just decided to get it. That was basically everything that we bought. I feel like that was also the video. I still have to edit all the weekly vlog, and I know that the video is not going to be uploaded tomorrow, but I really want to upload on Sunday, so I'm very excited about that. I can't wait to just share one more video with you guys. Thank you so much for watching until now. I know that it has been a huge vlog, and so thank you for your patience, and comment down below some more future videos that you'd like me to do. And I'm really just excited about life in general, and today I had like an anxiety, it wasn't a panic attack or an anxiety attack, but I was just feeling so down and so anxious. I cried, and it wasn't a great time, and I just want to say that everything is getting better, and we just gotta keep swimming. I believe that times are hard sometimes, and that we don't find the strength to just keep on going, but I'm just here to also try to be that positive impact on someone else's life. So I love you, and thank you so much for being here, for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay creative and stay happy. Bye. Bye.